Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about mensuration, that is chapter 11. Here is an introduction of mensuration. Introduction. We have learned that for a closed plane figure, the perimeter is the distance around its boundary and its area is the region covered by it. We found the area and perimeter of various plane figures such as triangles, rectangles, circles, etc. We have also learned to find the area pathways or borders in rectangular shapes. In this chapter, we will try to solve problems related to perimeter and area of other plane closed figures like quadrilaterals. We will also learn about surface area and volume of solids such as cube, cuboid and cylinder. Let us recall. Let us take an example to review our previous knowledge. This is a rectangular figure of rectangular park whose length is 30 meter and width is 20 meter. Right? What is the total length of the fence surrounding it? To find the length of the fence, we need to find the perimeter of this park, which is 100 meter, right? 30 plus 30, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20 is 100 meter, right? How much land is occupied by the park? To find the land occupied by this park, we need to find the area of this park, which is 600. 30 into 20, that is 600 meter square. This is a path of 1 meter width running inside along the perimeter of the park, so that has to be cemented. If one bag of cement is required to cement 4 meter square area, how many bags of cement would be required to construct the cemented path? We can say the number of cement bags used will be area path divided by area cemented by 1 bag. Area of cemented path equal to area park minus area of park not cemented. Path of 1 meter width, so the rectangular area not cemented will be 30 minus 2 into 20 minus 2, that is 28 into 18 meter square. Hence the number of bags used will be divided by area of 1 bag, right? That is divided by 4, right? Thus the rectangular flower beds, there are 2 rectangular flower beds of size 1.5 meter into 2 meter each in the park as shown in the diagram 11.1, and the rest has grass on it. Find the area covered by grass. First of all, you have to find the area of the rectangular beds, area park left over after cementing the path, area covered by the grass. We can find all these by calculations. You can find areas of geometrical shapes and other rectangles also if certain measurements are to be given to us. Try to recall and match the following. This is a diagram of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is A into B. Area of a square is A into A, that is A square. Area of triangle is half base into height, that is area of triangle. Parallelogram, the area of parallelogram is B into H, and area of a circle is pi B square. We know all this, right? Can you write an expression for the perimeter of each of the above shapes? Yes, we can find the perimeter also by different formulas. Now try this. Match the following figures with the respective areas in the box. Write the perimeter of each shape. You have to find the areas and perimeter of the figures, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.